I'm Hasti and welcome to our channel. If you have watched my previous video, which I'm gonna put it in here I guess, you know that I couldn't find a pair of shoes and it's so close to Nowruz. Actually, today is Friday, Nowruz is on
a few moments later.
Sunday, and I also need other things and my mother needs other things too, so we're going shopping and let's pray that it goes well. Okay, let's go. As I told you, today is Friday. Just for your information, Thursday and Friday are the weekend in Iran, and so every store is supposed to be closed, but since it's close to Nowruz, I hope they're open. Actually, today we are going to one of the oldest bazaars in Yazd. Its name is Solar Hijri, and let's go for it. That was our first try, and guess what? It failed. I couldn't find anything, and I hope I make it, guys. Okay, let's go. My mom wants to buy a bag, and here we are.
I see.
Okay, my father's turn. Okay. Okay guys, I got this. Yes, you know, I had no intention to buy bag. Actually, it's a purse, I guess, but it's always like this, you know, when I'm looking for something I can't find it, and while I'm looking for another thing I see something that I like and buy it. I don't know if I explained it good. Did you get it? I hope so. Our second try was awesome. Let's go for shoes now. Things in here, but I wonder if you can use it. I guess it's broken or something. Everything is so cute. I bought chopsticks. Here we bought a couple of things. For example, we bought hangers, chopstick. What else, Mom? My mom bought a lot of things. I don't know. Most of them are kitchen equipments and these things. Yeah.
Just see back together.
I'm
tired.
How are you? Seriously?
Really?
Okay. This one. Okay guys, we made it! Yes! I'm so happy. Goodness, thank you. Finally! Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it, guys. And if you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. So I know that you liked it, and I will make more of these videos for you. And don't forget to click that subscribe button, leave me a comment, and love you all, guys. See you later. Bye.